Hey everybody! So today I am making a trivet that you can put pots on and put it on your table. I've mixed up some black, purple, yellow, and red pigment paste by Resin with Tea Expert resin, and I'm just pouring it in there, trying to make a little design.
Well, I may be wrong, but I thought that I tried enough for both of us. And I never thought I'd get to see that blackbird fly. You were busy trying anything that you thought that would cause a fuss. Through the forest by the lake, searching, trying to find a trace and calling, shouting out your name, calling. Is this really what I think it is? Am I really the one you need?
Now I have some blue as well. Now it's the next day. I've used red brown mica powder by Small Tongue mixed with more Tea Expert resin, and I'm just pouring that on there to make a top coat and using my stick to brush off the excess. Okay, so I am going to demold this trivet and see how it came out. Go ahead and do it backwards here because I don't want to bend it. Okay. Oh, I really think it came out very beautiful. So here's just the top coat that I had poured on yesterday. This is the next day. And that's pretty. But the top with all the different colors, I think it really came out very nice. So let's just get the excess off there. Okay. I'll just go ahead and sand that down. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and have a wonderful day. Bye.